Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I'm back with the review of another college in Bangalore, which is Seshadripuram Institute of Management Studies, and this is basically an MBA college, and it takes admission through PGCET and PGCET and many other admission process. So this is part of the series of PGCET colleges review which I'm doing on my channel, and there are almost 15 PGCET colleges reviews already done. So let's start with this college review without placement, campus and everything. So this college is Seshadripuram Institute of Management Studies, or SIMS. It is started in 2001, and from there onwards it is providing a quality education, right, in terms of rankings and all. If you see what they claim is Outlook iCare B School Survey 2022, where they were ranked as the 11th private B school in India and 113th in India level. So you can see this ranking. And then this program offers, SIMS offers, multiple specializations and also a dual specialization program, right? And the MBA from SIMS is affiliated to Bangalore University, and that is approved by AICT, and it's not under VTU, but it's under Bangalore University program. So that's what. And the PGCET code for the college is B279, right, for the MBA program, right? And now coming to some infrastructure facilities part of it. So it has a good auditorium, which can accommodate around 1,000 audience, and this is one of they claim as one of the largest educational institution, or the size of is the highest and largest. And this is the common main building, so where they're hosting the flag. You can see some of the infrastructure of the college related with their college classrooms, with their auditoriums and the events which happens in the institute. And also they have a decent sized canteen where good amount of student interaction or fun or amusement happens, right? So this is some of the pictures covering the canteen part of it, right? Now coming to the other infrastructure, and as I said, there is also infrastructure for sports. There is infrastructure for national and the other events, right? And this is for yoga hall, and this is some of the more seminar halls and rooms covering the centers. And they have their own wellness center, as I said, yoga and plus other physical checkup which basically takes care of the health of the students, and so that they don't get stressed during the studies, and the periodic checkup can happen. So that's what is their part of them. And they do have a playground, as I mentioned earlier. We have the facilities like volleyball, football, cricket, chess, table tennis, badminton, and then they in lot of indoor games, and along with the gymnasium and the yoga center, which you have already seen the picture. So they participate in lots of national as well as international events. So this is one of the events participation what they have got. Now coming to the course part of it, right, specializations, they have marketing, finance, human resource, and very good scores of entrepreneurship and production and operations and business analytics. So the difference is the entrepreneurship and startup course, which is this one of the specializations, and the business analytics, which is also in very high demand, that is also there. Operations and production for the manufacturing students coming from engineering background, maybe. Yeah. Now they, apart from these specializations, MBA specializations, within each of the areas they have a lot of good electives. You can see within the, say example, entrepreneurship, you have idea, design thinking, technology ventures and all. In business analytics, they will teach you predictive analytics using R, data warehousing, data mining, big data analytics, visualization and business, and so on, right? And each of these areas have a good innovation, right, in the finance, derivatives and the risk management. So a lot of electives to be selected from there. Now coming to the admission process, as I say, it takes place through all the modes like PGCET, KMAT, MAT, CMAT, SCAT, ZAT, GMAT, and the total capacity is 120, out of which 60 are through government quota and 60 are through management quota. So that is 120 seats which are part of. And this is also, I'm giving you the contact number of the college in case you wish to know much any other details. You can call these mobile numbers and check with them. Yeah. So this is what pretty much I said, is a PGCET. KMAT is the main exam in Bangalore, which it uses, and the criteria is that 45% SCST, 50% marks for general to be able to qualify for this examination. And this And apart from that, the regular electives, they also provide value added certifications, right? So you want to do around SAP HANA, digital marketing, data financial marketing, financial marketing. So these are basically certificates you can get, and that will add value to the even Microsoft Office suites. Like a lot of students are not good at an Excel sheet or other Microsoft Office tools, so they can, and for the interview purposes, aptitude skills, right? So they have a different elective value added certifications which will be helpful. Apart from that, they also have a program called SAG, where have a collaboration with the international university, and that MBA will be costlier than the normal MBA. Now coming to the cost, the fees of this college for government quota PG set, it will be around 1.6 lakhs for 2 years. How much? 1.6 lakhs for 2 years. For management quota for Karnataka residents, it will be 3 lakhs, and for the non-Karnataka students can also join with 4 lakhs for 2 years. Now coming to the most important part, the placement. So these are the good numbers of companies which visit them. So Ernst & Young, you can find Amazon India, most of the banking companies like HDFC, ICICI, and then the multinational companies like Social General, Deloitte, KPMG, and Indian national big size education companies like Topper or Byju's, and retail companies like Target, and the IT companies like IBM, right, to name the few. And now based on the NRF report, which I could not get last 3 years, but the previous years, it shows 194 out of 112 students got placed in that batch, and 4,10,000 was the median salary. So now you can assume that it will be around 50 to 60% placement in this college, and you can also assume that there will be a median salary will be now close to 5 lakhs, right, which I will get more detail, I will share on the chat. So thank you for watching this, and hope you have the now complete information with respect to this. Any other specific question you have regarding any other part of the course, I have covered the fees, I have covered the intake capacity, placement to good extent, and then a very high level campus views, right? So thank you for watching this, and please do like and subscribe the channel, and let me know in case you want any other college to be reviewed, and I will be happy to do that. Thank you and take care.